Today I am injecting Sculptra, and Sculptra is a biostimulatory filler that's going to help make collagen very naturally. So you're going to see how we get a full look right away, but then in 3 to 4 days that fullness is going to go down as the lidocaine and the saline that the Sculptra is mixed in dissipates, and then the Sculptra particles get pushed down by the fibroblasts which make collagen, and over the next 3 months our patient is going to see how naturally her skin gets pulled back and it looks beautiful. So we are going to go ahead and start with our injections. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. I'm going to have you take that away and turn a little bit away from me. There you go. Perfect. So I always like to start up at the temple. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi, hi. Right there. Just a little there. Do not need too much there. And we're going to go down a little bit down the cheek. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi, hi. And good job. You don't need too much there either. Good job. Let's get a little. There we go. And then let's ice right here. Yep. Ready? So the nasolabial folds. We'll go in front of the ear. So there's a few places that I like to inject. You can really inject Sculptra basically anywhere. You can even inject it in the breast to lift the breast, and the booty to lift the butt. You ready? Okay, take that away. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, and out. You okay? Okay, good. And let's do a little ice right over here. Oh, got it. Let's see, we're not even bleeding over there, which is a nice thing. You tell me when you're ready, and we'll go again. We're so fast at being ready. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh la 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 la. Okay, here we go. I'm out. All right. So we're going to pause, and then we're going to go to the next stop. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. La la la. Here we go. I'm out. Okay, let's go down your cheek. 1, 2, 3. Oosh. There we are. So people are happy with Sculptra for over 2 years. The studies are out for, which is nice. And really, there's no real contraindications to Sculptra. Works for everybody. Let's go. Do you want to ice here for a sec? And it's typically 3 sessions. 3 to 4 sessions. So we do usually 2 vials at the first session, then 1 vial a session thereafter, or you can split it up over the course of 4 sessions and do 1 vial every 4 sessions. When people already start with great cheekbones and temples, like our patients, I like to do just 1 vial at a time because I don't want you to look too full for those first few days. And then we're going to ice right here too. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Ay, ay, ay. Yes. And then gradually what's going to happen is your skin is going to be pulled back because we're treating the periphery. And then in that area of the nasolabial folds, that'll get fuller too because that's what we're putting in. It's great for people, older people too, that have got crepiness down in this area. And we're going to inject some there next. 1, 2, 3. Osh, 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 osh. And we're going to go like so. Beautiful. We're going to do a little bit in the hollows of the chin. So I'm going to start right over here. 1, right over here. 1, 2, 3. Oosh. Here we go. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Okay. Excellent. Let's go on this side. 1, 2, 3. La la la. Here we go. You're doing great. Perfect. Perfect. And now we're going to go above. And you can already see how this brings up the chin, which is nice. There are people generally have hollows here that make you look older, and we don't want to look older at all. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here. So why don't you ice up there? And we just got 2 more spots, and then you're all done, which is great. And so what I would do afterwards for aftercare is I always tell people to massage this area 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. So 5, 5, and 5. And we'll do some massaging at the end. But helps prevent any kind of little granulomas from happening, and it helps it just all settle in nicer. There used to be a big thing in the past about how Sculptra could cause granulomas. That was years ago before they had recommended different dilutions of Sculptra. So now that we're diluting it differently, people generally don't get those. And also when you go super deep, again, another reason why people don't get those granulomas, because you're really, really deep. I'm gonna put some arnica all over you and you're all done.
Don't forget to massage.
I'm gonna massage. So we're gonna massage these areas for a little bit. And then I tell you to massage these areas like so with a lot of pressure. This is what you're gonna do at home also. And then we're gonna massage the areas that we have done. Everywhere we put it, we wanna massage it. So a lot of pressure into those areas, 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. And then you can Nike swoosh it up. Get a little bit more arnica. We're gonna Nike swoosh it up. So I have a bunch of patients that don't even do regular filler anymore. They just come in and do Sculptra because it's just such a natural look. And who doesn't want to be pulled back? Just like this. Excellent. And then we didn't do it on you because you've got great skin, but you could inject Sculptra down in this area for people that have really crepey skin, because this area, that area that I was just, this area down here is a big black hole for filler. So I could put 10 syringes of filler down there and you wouldn't notice that I did anything in 2 or 3 days. But you put Sculptra there and in 3 months, you will certainly notice a difference. So it's just laying a mattress of biostimulation to make your fibroblasts work overtime and make you make new collagen. So is that terrible or is it okay? Now that I stopped poking you?
That's good.
All good now. It's all good now, yeah, that's for sure. Well, so if you want to find out if Sculptra is right for you, follow us or find us at rejuvenationmdmedspa.com.